Save our environment, save our life. Plant the trees, make our environment pollution free. Thank you, Andrew, for calling me on this beautiful stage. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm good morning to all.
Good morning.
This is me, Rita Kumar, president of Roti. Nowadays, I stay in Nagar, Kailali, Nagar. Today's date of 19th July 2024. In this happiest moment, Seetal Academy has conducted a presentation program as well as result announcement program. So, to the respected chairperson of this grand assembly, chief guest, special guest, audience, anchor who is anchoring from this beautiful stage, honorable teacher, and represented by senior and junior companions. Today I am extremely delighted because I have got a golden chance to participate in this program. During speaking, if I committed any mistake, I would like to apologize that. So now, without any late, I am going to enter into my topic on the topic of environment. Do you know, friends, what is environment and how much environment is important in human beings' life as well as living beings, even all the things that are present in this planet? If you don't know, then don't worry, guys, because I am here to describe in brief about the environment. Environment, not a place to visit, but a home to stay. It is a broad term concept. It is a broad term which consists all the living beings as well as non-living beings, like topography, climate, soil, minerals, and so on. Even we can't count them. Environment. But nowadays, environment is being polluted day by day because of man-made activities, man-made things, like smoke coming from vehicles, industries, factories can pollute our environment. Nowadays, people are saying nowadays that happiness is the best story. But I say that how can people be happy if environment is not clean? Also, people are saying that environment is very important. Environment is very important. But I say that, but they are not thinking about that type of concept. They are not thinking about environment is important. So, also, they are doing environment polluted day by day by doing different types of activities, and by doing that type of activities, they are throwing enough access on their own feet. I want to ask you a question, dear audience. Can you even imagine your life without environment? No, because it is impossible. Environment is our life. We have to think about the environment, but nowadays we don't think about the environment because we say that we have no time to think about it. Really? We have no time to think about the environment? If environment is not in our life, then our life becomes like a dead body. If we have to be protective in our life, then we have to protect our environments first because it is our first priority. Our physical and mental health really enjoys the natural beauty, isn't it? Yeah, but everybody don't know about this. Also, here presented all the people here. They know about the environment really much, but they don't want to protect it because they have no time to protect the environment. They have no time to think about it. Can you guys even think about the environment in your free time? No, because you did not accept these things that environment is our life. That's fact. And also nowadays, also finally I want to say that environment is not belongs to us. We belongs to environment, and we accept that fact because that's the fact of the universe. So there are different causes in environment, like air pollution, deforestation. Also, we are being played with the name of modernization, colonization, urbanization, and many things. But how we are doing this? How? Why? And why? Because for protect the environment, we should have to protect the nature. We should have to protect the plants. We should have to plant the plants. Okay. Also, if you want to be healthy, happy in your life, then we should have to protect our environment. So by saying this much, I'd like to conclude my speech here. Thank you so much everyone for having listening.